superb. You can do better than that, guys. Make some noise. Huge cheer. Sophie Hardale, come on. Absolutely brilliant. What about, well, Sophie, one question. Did you enjoy that?
Yes.
You did, all right then. Now then, who are you here with today? Who's here supporting you?
My mum and my dad.
Your mum and your dad, yeah? Do they follow you everywhere with your singing?
Pretty much.
Pretty much, yeah? And if you were the overall champion and you win the competition, what would you do with £1,000?
Well, I'd probably give homeless people food, clothes and means of warmth, but also give a bit to my family and not and spend it wisely.
Oh, well, yeah, all right then. Your parents are going to be pleased with that answer. All right. Anyhow, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Young lady here, act number 6 today. Make some noise. Sophie Hardale. Well done, Sophie. Thank you very much. Thank you. Down you go. Right.